Abunentere yamo yogochengera obochenu bw'abasubati chingaki bagotwa nigo ekyombe kya Nyaboke initiative kemugetie egetambukiro aboli tkolegoro nabigo gokora etaro yabo ya bene goikira ase skuru ya secondary ya Nyosia oko nakora senseme yoni gobenegetie korenga gosira omwana munyaruka anasi babeta bakwena na ebitamba byobochenu nabigo korwa amaigelyo na kyabana banyaruka babwenerete kwebeka chingaki chiri bagotwa asenseme ndenigo aborokia nabiga borki obeskure yo babete bakogokera egetambukire kyo nabigo kuganya ebyombe binde koeneke mnangwe soke berebene ase ogosira omwana omunyaruka morikito Julike Rubo na ikiranete ase chinsemecho nabigo gotwaliganeria oroboti rokobwatia
Neri tukorine neriare ryogo chengero bochenu bw'abasubati gose World Health Ministry and Hygiene Day asensingima abwase kyombe kya Nyaboke initiative gyakore taro yaya gwikase skuru ya secondary ya Nyosia iryokorwa semi bunu mwana munyaruka abweneto kwerenda no gwetanga kurwa samaroire.
Today being the World Menstrual Day, we are happy that we had this activity from a Nyaboke group initiative of charity.
Actually, this initiative is only 2 weeks old. The thought of it struck my mind 2 weeks ago. I conquered my fear. I said, let me do it. And friends, as you can see, people came through and it has happened.
Nonya nabonigo mwana mumurate birimaiga kubwati umwana munyaruka kurigererwa mono nige kyombe kyo boigo kenyoro umwana mumurase skuru eyo asoko bachitishu na boigo gosaba abana bamura kurigererwa mono.
We not only offered the sanitary towels to the ladies, we also factored in the men. They are not left aside. Yeah, so we are so happy that this is a success.
As especially we are forgotten behind when girls are being given their sanitary towels. As boys we were not given anything, but this time around we are happy that we have been given at least a tissue. Now we can use it.
So while I was mobilizing my friends and few people here and there to help me with the funds. I said, let me do something for the boys. We factored in the tissues and we brought something for them.
Boigo nigo bairali bagerio gosemia abanabo igoro ya maroire ne chinchera bara itange kurwa samaroire kubwati gotamanya gwekegori egeke.
Between age 14 to 22 or 25, they are not aware of these sexually transmitted infections, sexually transmitted diseases, and we know at their age so many things happen between them. So as we move around passing knowledge, we want these people to know what are these STIs, what are these risk factors, what are these complications that may arise when they engage themselves maybe in such activities. And so it's good to create awareness to them, let them grow, knowing in mind that this thing is good, this thing is bad.
Ukwana no mochaki bwe kyombeke Ivet Nyaboke ni gasaba barai ne chiskuru a gutwara bosemi buno bwo ucyasaba na bonsi eryokoba omoyo.
To the leaders, to save the boy child, I would wish the schools to prepare something of this kind frequently, not only about menstrual hygiene or anything, like to just motivate the students and staff.
Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu n'aboroki bairari bagerio na gwakera ikyombe kyombuya. Nigo mwarimu monene abarimu n'aboroki bairari bagerio na gwakera ikyombe kyombuya mono asoko batarira se skuru eyo na kuba obosemi ubu.
I want to take this opportunity to salute on this great team, the Nyaboke initiative, on what they have done today to our school. Indeed, it has taken a lot of time to remember the vulnerable in the society. Normally, the girl child is remembered, but today the boy child has been remembered as the endangered species in our society. Thank you for what you have brought today on the World Menstrual Day.
We appreciate for all things they have done for us. They have taught us good things. We appreciate that whatever they are doing to us, to do to the other communities.
Gingo reporter yegeta seni kya Ndizi TV. Ele tariana Njuli Kerubo.